What's up, guys? Welcome to Finance with Tony. I'm Tony. Here we're sharing ideas about a frugal lifestyle, and I just made the video about from the ferry wheel here in Novosibirsk City. Here's a ferry wheel, and I just realized that probably it would be interesting to show you the infrastructure here. I mean, the infrastructure of this ferry wheel. I just remembered that here's some sculpture, and here's the inner ear of this building, and it has also a selfie museum. A selfie museum. I didn't buy a ticket for this. Maybe in next time. It says in Russian, it says the house with wheel. The house with the wheel. It says. So, and it has this wolf. On the wolf, it seems like maybe sort of video game or something, like in video game or something like that. If you know that, if I'm right, feel free to put your comments under this video. So here it is. This would be, I guess, just quick observations. It has some arches. Looks as a proper building, and I just took a tour, and it was nice and interesting and safe. And the cups inside was the capsule inside was tidy and clean. And so here's the ferry wheel in Novosibirsk City, and during the winter, if you are brave and brave enough to experience Siberian winter, this place pretty much crowded because of children and parents with children, because it has all bunch of attractions related to Christmas time, and some building playgrounds from ice. I mean, ice constructed playgrounds, and all possible types of activities related to Christmas time and winter time. So here's a ferry wheel in Novosibirsk City. Feel free to. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Feel free to press thumb up, and have an awesome day, guys.